Today, we're making Salsa Verde. So if you like Mexican food and you love green salsa, stay tuned because this recipe is up next. Here I've got some tomatillos, some Anaheim peppers, some garlic, cilantro, a medium-sized onion, jalapeno, and poblano peppers. If you don't have tomatillos available to you, you can always use Roma tomatoes. Now you might remember my chile relleno recipe. One of the most important steps in making these is roasting the chilies. And in that video, I teach you to do it over an open flame. The skins in this recipe need to be completely removed. But in this Salsa Verde recipe, we're going for flavor. And the vegetables don't have to be completely scorched. So today, we're going to use the broiler. And since there's a lot more vegetables to singe, this will speed up the process. Just leave the door part open and you can keep a good eye on them. Once you see some good color going across the top, you can slide the rack open and flip each one of these over to get the other side. On average, this only takes 10 to 15 minutes to get color on all sides before we move to the next step. As you can see, these tomatillos get a little bit cooked, makes them a little softer for the blender. And just to prove that it can be done, I am going to add 2 Roma tomatoes. They help balance out the sour in the tomatillos. We're also going to need the stem cut off of these poblanos. We'll cut those in half just to make it easier on blending. And if you didn't notice, I am leaving the seeds. Going to remove the stems and the Anaheims, and they're just easily pulled right out. These peppers soften up quite a bit when they're roasted, so that's going to help them break down in the blender too. Don't forget your jalapeno, the onion, garlic, and of course cilantro. Now acid usually comes from the tomatillos, but I like the flavor of lime juice in my salsa. Also cumin, turmeric, and some smoked paprika. And of course, salt and pepper to your tastes. Another ingredient you might want to consider is Knorr's chicken bouillon. This is used in Mexican food quite a bit, and I only use about this much. Now let's get this blended up in real time. I love watching those blades murder those vegetables. Oh yeah! Just look at that color. As you can see, we're hot and steamy. First thing we need to do is taste it. That's good. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And there you have it. Salsa Verde, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.